Hello, this is Jan Smith. And, dude, what do you want, ugly man?
What did you just say? Are you... what?
Oh, well, you're not gonna fight in front of me, huh? I like you both.
Slacha.
Well, I know I'm not pretty. Well, but... Wait a minute. You that black guy, not you that smiling in glasses. Are you gay? Just wonder. Well, who's gonna pay this? Oh, it is...
What are you guys talking about? Are you talking about who is gonna pay? I think it's me. Yeah, nigga, it's totally me. So, yeah. What?
Well, this. The that you could pay is $100,000, and I wanna see them in creditas. Creditas, I say. Yes, I did say that.
Well, now I just wanna bang somebody because of this fight. And if you don't cut the money that you say is creditas, then I gonna have a gangbang. Oh yeah.
So, yeah, whatever, I mean, dude. I'm so hungry.
All of you, get off my bar, now! Or maybe shoot you with my shotgun. Get out, I say! You did, go! You first!